Hi, welcome back. Today we're going to look at Binance. There's been a lot of news coming out regarding Binance's reserves, assets, and if they are too big to fail, or if they're going the way of FTX. CZ is the owner of Binance. He is the main person responsible for the Binance platform and all its reserves. So there's a lot of news articles that came out today from Crypto Quant and other sources such as CoinDesk. We're gonna take a look at that here. Um, so Crypto Quant just verified Binance's reserves, and they have said that FTX-like behavior is not present within Binance. However, their withdrawals has been quite high recently. Um, but CZ still saying that there have been larger withdrawal transactions before. Um, However, the Binance total assets account for 51 billion. So they have a huge backing of all their coins, and this is all available on CoinMarketCap when you go into their exchange. Um, Now the big question is, are they that big not to fail? Um, from my perspective, I'd say no. I mean, all companies, like even the big giants, they can fail. If you look at historical pasts, big companies such as like Xerox and stuff like that, they're one of the most monopolistic companies when it came to printers. However, their technology fell behind. With Binance, I mean, everybody uses Binance almost, mainly as a trading platform and even as an exchange. But their exchange reserve for their BUSD keeps climbing. And while withdrawals might be at 8 billion, I think deposits would be almost exactly the same. This is a chart of Bitcoin's monthly reserves. Um, Coinbase and Binance obviously holds the largest amount. But when it comes to FUD around the Bitcoin space, um, news articles saying that there's been $5 billion worth of withdrawals and stuff like that, that doesn't really help too much. When it comes to Bitcoin, I mean, everyone's experiencing FUD now, mainly because the crypto market's down heavily since its inception. Even BNB also taking a huge dump from its all-time high, and somehow still surviving pretty strongly compared to other coins in its mid-price range since its starting. Um, Overall, I think Binance has a really good structure. I mean, I have funds on Binance right now. I use Binance quite often, and that's where most of my funds were until cold storage came along for me. But yeah, most of my trades and activity for crypto has been on Binance. So personally, I will continue using Binance. With regards to FTX, I've never had any kind of wallet or balance with FTX. I was very aware of FTX when they first bought Blockfolio. However, we'll see what the justice system does for SBF. Other than that, I mean, it seems pretty stable for most of these exchanges right now. The only two I'm very interested in would be Binance and Crypto.com, considering how big of a stake they have in every single coin, um, and Bybit. Other than that, yeah, I mean, Bitcoin looks pretty safe to me, but of course, do your own research before you invest. Um, but let's see where this goes, and all the best for Binance. Um, Other than that, thanks for watching.